In 2000, a mere 2 dozen products accounted for half the increase in spending on prescription drugs, a phenomenon that is explained not just because of more expensive drugs, but by the fact that doctors are writing many more prescriptions for higher costs drugs. So the first thing that at first sight I see not only, but also connector. And not only but also, not only x but also y, and there has to be parallelism between x and y. So x and y has to be the same grammatical structure. So let's have a look at the answer choices. Again, at first sight, we have a phenomenon, a phenomenon, a phenomenon, which occurred. So we have 3 to 2 split, which modifies the preceding noun, which is drugs. So it's just changing the meaning. Drugs occurred not just because of drugs are becoming very awkward. Drugs occurred not just because of more expensive, again awkward. So it is not the which, but it has to be a phenomenon because it is explained the phenomenon of in 2000, a mere 2 dozen drugs accounted for half the increase in spending on prescription drugs. So this sentence is summarized by a phenomenon. This is called summative phrase, summative. So answer choice A, B, C correctly use the summative phrase, a phenomenon that is explained or occurring. Okay, now we have connector. Let's have a look at not just. Just is used here only because of more expensive drug, but there is an also here. We need also. Therefore, eliminate A. That is explained. Not just by the fact drugs are becoming more expensive, but also very good by the fact that doctors are willing. There is parallelism here, not just by, but also by. Let me put this. So there has to be parallelism inside not only and but also phrase by X, by Y, or if we take by out, so this by belongs to both X and Y. By not only X, by not but also Y. So here the structure is correctly used and parallelism is okay here. Let's have a look at C. A phenomenon occurring not just because of drugs that are becoming more expensive, but because. So we need also here, but also because of drugs. And the structure here because of drugs that are, so there is that here, but also because of doctors. So since there isn't also here, it breaks the, this structure is not completed. Therefore, right answer choice is B.